In this video today, we're going to be learning how to cut and sew this cap sleeve, and this is so simple to do. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for coming to LexV Design. Stay tuned. Now to cut this cap sleeve, I already have this fabric that I will be using. I'll fold it into two. Okay, this cap sleeve is very easy to do. All you have to do is to stay tuned and be attentive. Follow me as I guide you through this. So I'm marking this at 5 inches, alright, and this cap sleeve, I'm sewing it for a child. An adult can actually use this, and this is a very beautiful sleeve. It's very simple. That's one thing I like about it. Okay, so at 5 inches, I want to ensure that my fabric is at 5 inches. You can do more than 5 inches, but it's best that you do, something that will still remain at a cap sleeve. All right. So at 5 inches, I marked 5 inches depth and width, and then I connected with a curve. Okay, you can see what I did there. Now, because this is an Ankara, of course, I'll be using either a lining or a fabric. So I decided to go with this fabric. I cut this fabric into two. I'm notching this right now because knowing the middle part is important. All right. Okay, so I'll be cutting this particular piece into two so that each of my sleeve will have two pieces. It's totally optional. If you don't if your fabric does not require a lining, you can actually do without a lining. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be cutting this out for the sleeve. All right, so I have these two now. You can see them. I'm going to be stitching them together because this two is going to be one sleeve and then another two for another sleeve. Now see the way to stitch it up in case you want to have a lining or double fold. Now some people actually like to have their cap sleeve in a slopey way. I'm just trying to show you that if you just want it in a slopey way, that's still okay, but me, I like the way that it came out. All right, now this is it. I have already stitched these two parts together. You can see I just left this side open, one side towards this end. You can see the side that I left open, and then I turned it out through that particular side. I'm going to ensure that I bring out all the edges and make sure that it's perfect. All right. Alright, so this is the first one. I want to show you how to attach it. At that point, there is the middle part. I'll be placing it on top of my fabric. Okay, I'll be placing it, and then I will sew up until the end of this side, and then I will do the same thing from the middle part again down to the other end. Alright, it's very simple. You can see how we achieved this cap sleeve within the shortest time, and it is very easy. All right, so I will stitch this up now, and this is how it looks. Okay, I stitched it up on the other side, and then I turned the back and ensured that I stitched up the rest of the body. Okay, the ending side of the body, and that's how simple it is. So this is practically all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.